Hello friend, how are you? Today we will learn some new words meaning with usage. So first word hard, mean, strong, difficult. Usage. He really had a hard life. He was very desperate. Word quiet, mean, silent, calm. Usage. Please be quiet. I am trying to concentrate on the problem. Word only, mean, merely, just, simply. Usage. They were only talking about the class, not about you, believe me.